Good afternoon. Today, I'm actually working on my front deck, getting it prepared for spring and summer. And I ended up purchasing these two topiaries. They're called Eugenia topiaries. They like full sun, and where they're going to be at, it's going to get the full sun on my front deck. So just wanted to go ahead and get these done, power wash the deck, and then get everything set up so that it is all ready and prepared for this spring and summer. And then all I have to do is possibly change out some flowers and then change out my rug. So let's just go ahead and get this done. I'm going to add some Hollytone fertilizer. It's organic, to make sure this has a good start, seeing that I am planting it in a pot. And it did say that these guys are good to be planted in a pot. Oh, got nice healthy roots. I'll just loosen them up just a little bit. Sure it's centered. That way, if I choose to put some annuals in here, I'll have room to do so. That's nice and centered, not leaning. Okay, that looks good. I check it so that it's centered, not leaning. Okay, that looks good. Press it down so that I have enough room to put the mulch on top of it, because it said at least 3 inches of mulch. As you guys can tell, I like working with my hands in the dirt. Okay, that is all done. That looks so nice. I might trim it a little bit, these branches that are under here, just to have more of a spear. So just snip those off. This is the front deck that I'm going to go ahead and get cleaned off and put the topiaries up here. And I also got plants that I have. They are woodland phlox. And I also got this cute little bench. So just going to go ahead and power wash this off to get it nice and clean, and then get everything set up. And then I also did get a new reef too. Okay, this is the finished front porch. My topiaries look so nice. My new wreath. I just moved my welcome sign to the other. My new mat. My new little bench. And my pots with the woodland phlox and some violas. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It just looks so nice. I hope you enjoyed seeing the transformation of my front porch. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing and liking my page. Thanks again.